10 episode 100. Ginger hears a snore from the friend's room and pranks him and a little slash grounded. A sponsored by Victoria and Politigon. Oh, I'm going to bed. Oh. Water see. I'm sorry, guys. Wow, bear is moving. What? What is that? I'll go take a look. Oh, that's Oggy! How did she want snow? I'm pranked her. Now you want daddy. Oh, Ben, can you come here for a second? Yes.
Yes.
What is it?
What is it?
Someone is snoring in my room. Oh, earlier I saw the magician and was doing hocus pocus, and he did this to the friend while he was snoring.
Earlier, I saw the magician and was doing hocus pocus, and he did this to the friend while he was snoring.
And this is what happened. Now go back to sleep. Sleeping. Okay. I don't like this. At morning. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Read, ding, ding, ding! It's my morning time. I'm time to check. Again? That's it. I'm going to tape it for the Flexi CD. That's it. I am done with this. Now you remember how you did to me. I started lexical wires. Again? What is that noise out there? Oh, Ginger, how could you do something bad? Are you turning to skeleton or something?
What is that noise out there? Oh, teacher, how could you do something bad? Are you turning
into a skeleton?
into a skeleton?
The dog. Yes, but I accidentally went to this room. But I accidentally bring electrical wires, and I was electrocuted two times only. Oh my gosh, teacher, I cannot believe you bringing these electrical wires and you accidentally electrocuted two times. That is so you are so grounded for 3,000 years. Now go to room right now.
Oh my gosh, teacher, I cannot believe you bringing these electrical wires and you accidentally electrocuted two times. That is so you are so grounded for 3,000 years. Now
go to your room right now.
go to your room right now.